Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening the Doodle app and allowing needed permissions so the file can save. Pick a canvas size, 16:9 for screens or 1 for icons, and set resolution high if you plan to export. Choose whether you'll use a finger or a stylus. If the app offers pressure sensitivity or smoothing, enable it to improve line quality. Once done, create a new layer and test a quick stroke. This gets your tools ready and avoids losing work as you start drawing. Now you refine the doodle by organizing work into layers: a rough sketch, a clean ink layer, and a color layer beneath. Zoom in for details, up to 200%, and use stabilizer or smoothing to steady long strokes. Undo and redo are your safety net. Adjust brush settings like size, opacity, and spacing to match the effect you want, and tweak the pressure curve if using a stylus. Once the ink looks clean, lock that layer and paint on a new layer beneath. Finish by exporting your doodle. Choose PNG for raster or SVG for scalable art, and select a transparent background if you need overlays. Save a copy to your device and upload to cloud storage for backup, then share directly to social apps or messaging. If the app freezes or lags during export, try closing background apps, lowering the export resolution, or toggling hardware acceleration in settings. That one troubleshooting step usually fixes performance problems, so you can complete the final save.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.